Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by cooling the pan to warm, not icy, which prevents warping. Rinse under hot water to loosen stuck food. This is why you avoid soap now. It strips seasoning. While the pan drains, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coarse salt across the surface and add a little hot water to make a gritty paste. You will use a non-abrasive sponge to scrub with grain of the salt. This removes residue but preserves the seasoned surface. Once the salt paste is working, you scrub using firm strokes and a non-abrasive pad for 2 to 3 minutes. This agitates and lifts carbonized bits without stripping polymerized oil. For corners or spouts, use a nylon brush. Make sure to tilt the pan so water carries loosened debris away. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly with very hot water to remove grit. If stubborn dark spots remain, repeat the paste scrub briefly, because controlled abrasion corrects stains while keeping seasoning intact. You finish by drying the pan immediately on low heat until every trace of moisture evaporates. This prevents rust. Next, apply a very thin coat of high smoke point oil and heat until it just begins to smoke. This reseals any disrupted seasoning and protects the steel. Let it cool, then buff with a paper towel to a smooth finish. If the surface becomes sticky, reheat gently and wipe with a clean paper towel while warm. That removes excess oil and restores the slick, non-stick feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.